Hello, and welcome to LyonsType's Photoshop tutorials. I'm going to show you how to create your custom Lucozade logo, using the LT Energy font from LyonsType to replace the text presets with your own implementations. So let's begin. I have provided the PSD file for the background symbol so you can follow along with the tutorial. The link to it is located in the video description or project files. Now we're going to take a look at the dimensions for the canvas. In inches, the width is 2.163, the height is 1.39, and the resolution is 300 pixels per inch. Next, we'll take a look at the elements found in the background symbol folder. First off, we have the gumdrop for the first layer. Second one is the whoosh or curved area. Third is the yellow line inside the upper corner of the gumdrop. Fourth is the first part of the human body. Fifth is the leg. And sixth and last is the coverage of the body and the leg. Hope I phrased it right. Then we have the text folder, in which the elements consist of two text lines. The yellow one is the display text and the white one is the subtitle. For the drop shadow, the opacity is 100%, the distance is 7 pixels, and the spread and size are set to 0. Same applies to the other text. Call up your type tool, click on one of the texts, then type out your own text. One way to rearrange the text is to drag the other text layer above the top text layer. And for the text colors, click on the color picker, and you'll see the text color is set to yellow. F8EC28. And the other text is set in white. 6Fs. To change the color of the background symbol, open the background symbol folder, and click on the gumdrop layer. Click on the pen tool. Click on the color picker. And change the color that fits your needs. Do the same for the other layers. Except for the coverage layer, we're going to change the color by clicking on FX, and Color Overlay. Then pick the color you're going to overlay the default color with. To change the color back to the original Lucozade color palette, the color for that is 0099 dB. Press Alt or Option Delete to revert the colors back to the original. Experiment with your Lucozade parody by changing the background symbol color and the text for your amusement. This has been a tutorial on how to make your own Lucozade logo. Thank you for watching, and feel free to download more LyonsType fonts at lyonstype.wixsite.com/home/typefaces.